What happens if you fall off a cruise ship? If you fall off a cruise ship, you'll hit the water at around 40 miles per hour, plunging deep below the surface. If you resurface, the ship will likely be too far away for anyone to spot you. If someone sees you fall, the ship will stop, but rescue efforts can take hours. During this time, you'll need to stay afloat and conserve energy while hoping to be located. However, if no one witnesses the fall, the chances of being found are slim, leaving you stranded in the vast ocean with little hope of survival. Don't forget to subscribe.